In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form to your Squarespace website using the app. This is a wonderful way to make sure your visitors can easily get in touch with you, whether they have questions or need support. So let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to the Squarespace website editor. If you're not familiar, this is your main hub where you can edit and manage your site. Simply go to your website's configuration page and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you're ready to start. Next, locate and click on the Add section button. This is the crucial step where you begin to integrate new elements into your web page, like our contact form. Squarespace provides a variety of sections to choose from, but for now, we're focusing on the Contact section. After clicking Add section, navigate to the Contact option. This option helps you incorporate a pre-formatted contact form that's both efficient and aesthetically pleasing. Choosing the right format is important because it can impact how your visitors perceive the ease of communication on your site. Now that you've clicked on Contact, it's time to choose a specific contact form style that matches your site's aesthetic and functionality needs. Consider how the form will look on your page and how it fits in with the rest of your design. Squarespace provides several templates, so take a moment to select the one that fits best with your site's overall theme. With the layout chosen, click on Edit section to make any necessary customization. This part is all about tweaking the contact form to suit your particular requirements. Maybe you want to add new fields for additional information or adjust existing ones. Whatever customization you need, this is where you do it. Now it's time to fine-tune the design. Click on Design to explore different design elements of your contact form. You can modify the form's arrangement, manage spacing, or adjust other design features to achieve a look and functionality that align with your website's feel. After finalizing design changes, you can click on Background to alter backgrounds behind your contact form. This step allows you to ensure the section complements the rest of your site's appearance by changing its color, adding a gradient, or custom images as a background. Next is the Colors option, where you can customize the color scheme of your form. Selecting colors that complement your existing website palette is key to maintaining a consistent and professional appearance across all pages. Once you're satisfied with the design and layout tweaks, make sure you click Save. This confirms all of your hard work so that your new contact form is live and ready for use by your site's visitors. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a contact form to your Squarespace site, opening up an essential channel for communication with your audience. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy website building!